Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. I got my nails done, y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all already know I'm about to put my nail tech, her Instagram right here. So go check her out, go book her, because she just be finessing. This is exactly what I wanted, like literally exactly what I wanted, and she delivered. So those of you that are not new to my channel, you guys know that I do this lock close-up series just to show you guys a realistic look at my personal locks as time goes on, just so you're not seeing them look all nice and done up all the time, because that's just not realistic at all. My hair looks a mess about 75% of the time. I've noticed a lot of changes within the last couple of weeks, and after I did that retwist, I just felt like parts of my hair were just really starting to lock, and they were just starting to feel more like a lock. So I want to show you guys that today. It's more so the ones in the front, but I have yet to see what my hair looks like today. I'm actually going to start with the front first today. It still has a little bit of the shape of the twist, so I'm not mad at that. But it's starting to condense a little bit more, especially up here. It's not going nowhere. I can't believe I'm 6 months locked, y'all. Go me. Y'all, this was one of the ones that was super fat last time, and now it's starting to condense. So I would definitely suggest watching these close-ups in order. I think this is only like my 3rd one anyways, but it's still just a better idea of how my hair has changed, because you could be looking at my hair now and like, what's different? Like, but if you haven't seen my other 2 videos, then you probably wouldn't notice anything really. So go watch those 2 videos. This one, I don't know what's going on with this one. It's budding all kind of crazy. And it feels like pretty cool though. It's so hard to explain how it feels, but it's just like the hair is coming out, but it's not, if that makes sense. And the shrinkage is very real, y'all. Very, very, very real. The only parts of my locks that actually stretch are my ends. So I'm noticing that doing ponytails or doing like half up, half down kind of styles are starting to feel like it's more tension on my scalp, because essentially it is. I've been trying to just leave my hair alone and not really put it into a style, like put it in like a half up or like a ponytail kind of thing. As you guys can see, it's still a lot of frizz going on. It's still budding going on. My hair has made so much progress within such a short amount of time. I feel like the weight that they have to them too now compared to even just last month is such a huge change. They're falling like much more, and since I've moisturized my hair and had it in that style, they aren't really like sticking outwards like they were when I first retwisted my hair, which is nice because I was not feeling that whatsoever. Yeah, I'm just happy with it. They're still really thick, and even with them compacting a little bit more and becoming more dense, they still have that thickness, which is what I wanted with this set. So overall, I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna look in the future, even just next month when I do this other close-up video. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I've been noticing. So I'm gonna leave that as that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, comment your Instagrams below because I want to see your progress. You guys always talk about, oh, I'm 4 months in, or like we're like lock twins and this and that. So I really want to see your progress as well because I'm showing y'all my progress and I want to see the same with you guys. So comment your Instagrams, or however I can see your progress pictures. I would love to see it. Or you could just DM me the progress pictures. I don't always answer my DMs on Instagram super fast because my DMs are a mess right now, but that doesn't mean I won't see it eventually. So go do that because I would love to see it. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.